Pleasant wishes everyone. I am Harini P of 4th year Civil Engineering. This is my video on the topic working of solar panels. Earth intercepts a solar power of 173,000 terawatts, that is 10,000 times more power than we use. By switching over to solar energy, we can reduce consuming conventional power. Now let's see about solar cells. Solar cells use silica, a semiconductor material. Silica is sandwiched between two conductive layers. Here, two types of silica are used. One is N-type having extra electrons and P-type having extra holes. The electrons can wander at the junction of the silicon layer having positive on one side and negative on the other. The photons released from the sun strikes the cell. It knocks an electron and leaves a hole. Due to electric field, the electrons and the hole are allowed to move in single direction. That is, electrons to N side and the holes to the P side. The electrons are collected by thin metal strings at which they are transferred to the external circuit. Each solar panel can have 32 to 96 solar cells producing maximum of 44 volts. Since we require more power, solar panels can be arranged in a module to make a solar system producing more power that we require. Let us see some of the elements of solar power system. Solar panel, charge controller and inverter. Solar panel. Panel designed to absorb sun rays as a source of generating power is solar panel. Charge controller. Device that regulates the charging of the battery. If power production is high, controller prevents the battery from overcharging. Inverter. Electronic device that converts direct current DC to alternating current AC is called inverter. Pros and cons in solar power system. Pros. Renewable energy source. Solar energy is a truly renewable energy source. It can be harnessed in all areas of the world and is available every day. We cannot run out of solar energy unlike some of the other sources of energy. Solar energy will be accessible as long as we have the sun. Reduces electricity bills. We can reduce our electricity bills by consuming the power generated by the solar system. Diverse applications. Solar energy can be used for diverse purposes. We can generate both electricity as well as heat from the solar system. Low cost maintenance. Solar energy systems generally don't require a lot of maintenance. We only need to keep them relatively clean. A couple of times per year will keep the solar panel system clean. Cons. Initial cost is high. The initial cost of purchasing a solar system is fairly high. This includes paying for solar panels, inverter, batteries, wiring and for the installations. Weather dependent. Solar energy can still be collected during cloudy and rainy days. The efficiency of the solar system drops. Solar panels are dependent on sunlight to effectively gather solar energy. Storage expensive. The battery used to store the excess power generated by the solar panel is quietly expensive. Occupies lot of space. Solar panels requires lot of space as much as power we require. Affected by pollution. Transportation and installation of solar systems have been associated with the emission of greenhouse gases. There are also some toxic materials and hazardous products used during the manufacturing process of solar photovoltaic system, which can indirectly affect the environment. Conclusion. We have both advantages and disadvantages in using renewable energy. But as renewable energy, it is good to use it till it is available. Thank you for watching. Thank you.